Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to design a calendar for personal use. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your search bar on Canva and type this keyword calendar, and you would see a template. So these are the templates available. All you have to do is to scroll and choose a calendar that resonates with you. Now this is a biblical calendar with Bible verses for each month. You can also just scroll down and choose. This one has itineraries of things to do. So since it's a personal calendar you want to design, you can just browse through the various templates available and choose a template that suits your need. And once you are done with that, you can customize it. So let's assume I want to choose, let's say I have okay, good, I like this. So let's assume I want this. All I have to do is click on it and it brings up a pop-up, a page like this. I can click on customize this template, and it will bring you to a page where you'll be able to customize the templates properly. Okay, it seems I'm having a bit of network issue. So guys, this is how to customize a calendar for yourself properly in Canva. Okay, that's loaded. So from here I can edit, add, subtract, remove, or do anything I really want to do here. So once you are done, you can send them to your Google. You can save them or download them to any place of your choice. So this is how to create a personal calendar for yourself in Canva. Thank you very much, and guys, and do have a great day.